Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Shawarma lovers, come closer. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of my recipes on how to make shawarma, the Nigerian style. I'll be making beef shawarma and I hope this is something you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I'll start by prepping the ingredients needed to make my filling. And I have my cabbage. This has been properly washed off camera. I'll proceed to cut out the portion of cabbage I want to use for today's recipe. And I think this much is enough. I'll proceed to shred this nicely. I'm done shredding my cabbage and this is what it's looking like. You can always use as much as is needed whenever you're trying to recreate any recipe. Next up is my carrots, which has been washed off camera. I also scraped the back of the carrot to get it looking very shiny and clean. So right now I'm in the process of shredding the carrot. This is how it's coming on and it's looking super good. I'll shred as much as is needed and I think this much is enough. I'll transfer this into a plate and then set it aside. You can decide to add more veggies like the colored cabbage, the purple cabbage, or any other veggies of your choice. But for today's recipe, I'll be using just cabbage and carrots. Next up is my beef because we are making beef shawarma and this is a bit frozen. I just brought it out from the freezer. I love it when my beef is a bit frozen because it helps me to cut through seamlessly. I'll proceed to cut the beef and then slice it into very thin stripes. Feel free to cut yours into whatever shapes you prefer. Here is a big shout out to all my amazing and returning subscribers. You all are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the beautiful comments you leave me after watching. I see them all and I'm truly grateful. Thank you so much. I'm done slicing the beef. I'll wash it, pat it dry before going in with my seasoning. For seasoning, I went in with all-purpose seasoning, seasoning cubes, grounded pepper, cayenne pepper because I want it spicy. I added ginger powder, a little salt and vegetable oil to help bind the spices together. I'll mix this properly until each piece of meat is well coated with the seasoning. Feel free to take out or add to the spices that I use in this video. I'll cover this and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, it's time to fry the beef. I heated up a little amount of cooking oil. To that, I went in with the marinated beef. I'll fry this until it's golden brown, until it is nice and ready. I'll fry the beef in batches because I don't want to overcrowd the pan. Once I'm done frying this batch, I'll take it out and then introduce the second batch. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying this video and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already and also share it out to your family and your friends. Thank you. After frying for about 2 minutes, this is what it's looking like. I'll give it a quick stir and let it fry for an additional 2 minutes. And this is what we have after frying for 4 minutes. This is ready, golden brown, just the way I want it. After taking out the meat from the pan, I'll proceed to the next step, which is to prepare dressing or cream for our shawarma filling. I've just added yogurt, Greek yogurt. Next to go in is mayonnaise. Feel free to use any mayonnaise of choice. The next ingredient I have here is sweet chili sauce. I often use ketchup for this, but I'm out of ketchup. I'm using sweet chili sauce in place of ketchup. I didn't measure the ingredients as you can see from this video. I just eyeballed them, so feel free to use as much as is needed. Once I've added all the ingredients needed, I proceeded to stir properly to combine. And this is what I'm left with after mixing this creamy and delicious looking goodness. So my shawarma filling is ready and it's time to assemble all the ingredients together. I've just gone in with some of the shredded cabbage. In goes the shredded carrots. I'll give this a good mix until properly combined before going in with my fried beef. Once everything is well combined, I'll add our delicious creamy sauce. If you're coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge and you are at the right place. I hope you love it here. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. You're going to love every second you spend here. I have lots of delicious food recipes that I'm sure you'd want to try out. So please smash the subscribe button to be a part of us, and also turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you. I'm done mixing my shawarma filling, and this is the bread I'll be using. This is my shawarma bread. I'll just separate it into two, add my filling, and then wrap it up. This step is self-explanatory, so just watch closely and you understand. You can either use shawarma bread or tortilla wraps to wrap up your shawarma. Use whichever one you prefer. And while adding your filling, add as much as is needed, but make sure you have enough room for rolling up the shawarma, because that can be quite tricky. If you're someone that enjoy hot dog, you can also include hot dog. I didn't include hot dog in this recipe because I'm not a huge fan of hot dog. I also applied cream to the edges of the shawarma bread. This is to help the bread bind properly, to prevent it from coming loose. So once I've done that, I'll just roll this up nicely. For short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts, my Facebook reels, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. I have lots of delicious food recipes that are a minute long or less on these platforms, and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. So please do well to check out my pages. The name to search for is Oge Anyoko on Facebook and on TikTok, and Oge_Anyoko on Instagram. Please do well to follow me, watch my videos, like my videos, share out my videos, and leave me beautiful comments in the comment section. So this is the last one. You can see how nice it is. I wrapped this up properly. Next step is to heat it up. I'll just drop this into my preheated pan, and I will heat up both sides for 2 minutes each. I'll heat each side for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, I'll just flip it over and heat up the other side. So this is what we have after heating up the shawarma. This is looking super good already. Before I show you the final result, I have some questions for you. Do you prefer chicken shawarma or beef shawarma? Let me know your preference down in the comment section. And also, do you prefer to include hot dogs in your shawarma, or you just want to enjoy your shawarma without hot dogs? Let me know your answer down in the comment section. So guys, it's time to cut this up and show you what it looks like inside. Are you ready? So let's do this. This is what we have. Our beef shawarma is looking absolutely yummy. This is looking super creamy, juicy, and very, very delicious. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, share, and leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you all for stopping by, and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.